Traction3's custom dashboard for Stellar. You just have to go to stellar.traction3.com and then you can access the website. You can actually unlock actionable insights from on-chain metrics, community behavior, and liquidity analysis to scale your Stellar ecosystem project. So we'll start by logging in. For now, we are going to start as a founder to look at the founder dashboard. For easy access and for demo, we made it easy to just access it with mock data. So this is the founder dashboard, the project dashboard. It shows the adoption growth metrics and every metrics, as even much as the user metrics, the revenue metrics, volume, and all that. It also provides key insights for every founder and every builder to understand and know how the growth of their project is going. It furthermore gives details on your retention analysis with key insights to help guide builders and founders. Now, one key feature we need to look at here is the AI growth insight and KPI simulator. This engine helps users to have probabilistic thinking or probabilistic strategy for their go-to-market, right? With this, you can use the KPI simulator to simulate your growth scenarios and save them so you can actually try this in real life, right? You can actually simulate each scenarios and try them in real life. You can also do that with liquidity optimization and grant utilization. So you can know how to budget your grant funds, maybe reducing your marketing spend, increasing your development spend, and all that stuff. All that simulates results that are actually real data that affects your project in real life. A killer feature we also added is the milestone feature, where projects can actually create milestones and the SCF managers can track these milestones from their own dashboard. We have a BD engine, more like a growth CRM engine, where the BD engine enriches leads from the ICPs of these projects and then generates leads, contacts from wallets that are high in volume, wallets that actually push on-chain adoption for this project. When it generates these leads, you can be able to track them with their wallet address, their email addresses, their Twitter, their LinkedIn profiles, and all that, right? You can also automate the process by creating templates, email templates or messaging templates, sequences, and all that, and automate the messaging process or the ad process, right? So what this does is that it sends ads, massive messages to these leads, and then helps the founder to close partnerships, onboard new users, and driving volume into their product. You can also view extended analytics from this dashboard. Of course, you know that each campaign can be created from this button here. You can also select where you want the outreach channels you want to reach out to these leads you generate from each campaign. Now, this leads us to the SCF Manager account. So what this does is that this tracks the progress and the data and analytics from all the projects that are built on Stellar. As you can see, 47 projects currently, just demo data. You can see all the data, right, from all the projects combined. You can also go further to look at the portfolio. As an SCF manager, you look at the portfolio of every project in the ecosystem that are on the Traction3 platform. You can get extended data on each of these projects to see who is doing well, who is not doing well, what can be done, how to support them, and how to monitor their progress to see that the return of investment for grant funds are met. Here we have a grant to outcome analytics. With this, you can view the details, view progress of each project. You can view their milestone completion trends. You can also view insights. You can view the return of investment distribution on the funds that are used for the grant program. You can also view, we also have a simulator here, AI growth advisor, and also a KPI simulator. If you also want to simulate growth processes for these projects to guide them through. We also have our milestone management feature here, where you manage all milestones from every project that are connected to the SCF. We have the metrics guide, where each term is explained and with a guide on how to manage that metric. We have the insights. We have the GTM assistant, which is also like a chatbot for each project you try to diagnose from the program. I'm going to end by saying that every feature has an export report feature where you can export each result and get them offline as CSV file. Thank you very much.